Hello, this is Parker with MacroFab, and today we're going to take a look at how autofill and part suggestions work in the PCB platform. So on the bill of materials, I've already uploaded my files here. We have two functionalities called autofill and part suggestions. So if you upload a bill of materials with a manufacturer part number for a list of designators, and that manufacturer part number is unique, then the system will automatically select that part for you. If that part number is not unique or you don't have a manufacturer part number in your bill of materials, it will try to search for parts based off the value and package. So we can take a look here. This bill of materials I uploaded has no MPN for this first line item here, C1 through C7 and et cetera, and it's a 0.1 microfarad 0402 part. And so it searched on the marketplace for 0.1 microfarad 0402 parts. It will suggest house parts first because that's usually going to be the lowest cost and lowest labor. And so we have an MF cap 0402 0.1 microfarad. It's also suggesting a Murata part here that is a 0402 0.1 microfarad part. And the next one is a Murata part as well that is a 0.1 microfarad 042 as well. So let's say I don't want any of these. I can actually click the see all results, and it will take me to the search UI for just selecting parts. And so now I get every single part that matches for 0402's 0.1 microfarad here. But we're going to select this house part. So if we scroll down to the bottom here, I do have some part numbers that were unique. So like the Parallax P8X32A M44. That part was a unique part that the system hit on the marketplace, and so it automatically selected it for me. So basically all my active components that I have actual part numbers for, it automatically selected.